Hello out there, Mr. Corcoran with a brief week in review. I wanted to share and explain how we used the 60-second sweep to reboot or recalibrate our division lesson. Students were really struggling with the long division concept, so my solution is to take the product, all these products, and we made these study cards. This is based on the principle of diamond math, which I did some research and I didn't quite follow their format exactly, but that's not a big deal, I think. So what we're focusing on for multiplication for just the rest of this lesson for sure, are all the products we can make between the numbers 2, the factors 2 and 9. So 4 being the smallest and 81 being the largest. And we made these cards. We made these cards. Can't edit that out. So 24 would be our dividend. So 24 divided by 4 is 6. So this number right here is a 6. And if that's a 6 and that's a 4, when you add it together, you get 10. Now, I looked up how to do... So anyway, blah, blah, blah. The point is, these are a great... it's a twist on flashcards. It's less... it's multifunctional. So number one, students are going to practice these if you have not yet committed to memory all of your multiplication times tables. Instead of looking at a traditional times table like this, you can use this to help you. So 24, again, divided by 4 is 6. And if you do this and you get it wrong, you think it's 4 times 8 is 24, just put it in one pile. And if you get the next one, let's say this, 5 times 5 is 25. If you get it right, you put it in a pile which you understand. And if you get it wrong, you put it in a pile where you don't yet know it. And then these would be the cards. You practice these cards more frequently. So doing that hopefully will improve our automaticity with multiplication and division. Alex and Jargal did a great job. They designed a Kahoot of their own, and we played it as a class. And these are the podium students here. And what I did also was, as you can see here, I graded the. We did a quiz today on Diamond Math, so I put a quiz in there. Next week it's going to be more challenging. Next week we'll do something like this, where instead of just 24 divided by 4, it's going to be 240 divided by 4, so that instead of being 6, it's going to be 60. So we're going to ramp up the challenge for division, but that's about the gist of it. Oh, and also in this blue, this is the blue graded work folder. So this blue graded work folder, this thank you menu, or it's a receipt. These are that's the template for what we're going to do for our California road trip. We're going to, for three different regions, I want you to go to a restaurant on your road trip and write down the food that you ordered. Anyway, students, I explained that. Parents, if you have questions, ask your students, and hopefully they can tell you. So yeah, those blue folders should be in their backpacks right there. Sent off the smiling faces for not 2, but it's going to be 3 days, 3-day weekend in honor of Dr. King Jr. So we have a struggle ahead of us still. Coronavirus is not eased up too much. So my 3 colleagues here, we had fun playing a game we invented where we roll a ball and we spike it with footballs. So then it occurred to me, what if that symbolizes that? And then we use these things to attack it. Aloha, everyone. Have a good weekend. Au revoir.